What the CFAR does is it says, well, let's take all these isolated silos of people and bring them together and try to realize some synergy between these efforts.
And in addition, we were able to bring together other triangle organizations that would be virtually impossible without the CFAR, very unlikely without the CFAR. I think that we've tried to act as kind of catalytic thought leaders, you know, about what's possible, you know, both with acute infection and curing AIDS. And you marry the university at all its levels and all the faculty with the HIV problem in the countries we work in, and that the core serves as a fulcrum to amplify all that. And I think that is a crystal clear event.
The thing about the clinical core is exactly what Prema said, to kind of take the research from what's in the lab, you know, kind of, and bring it to the patients. And in that way, allow people who are making these observations to see how real they are, to see how they really connect.
What are the social and behavioral factors that are driving the epidemic that we can target, address, reduce, change, that will ultimately reduce the spread of HIV throughout the world?
We respond to the basic need of how can I get the best viral load data on my patients, and how can I get the best HIV diagnosis, the most reliable, not false positive, not false negative.
It is seen as integral to what the scientists are doing in their laboratories, that we can enhance their ability to take science back to the people and also bring ideas from the people to enrich their science. And that linkage, it's magical, and it doesn't happen very many places. So I'm really proud to be part of that happening here. And I'm proud of the CFAR for making that occur.
We have the unique opportunity of seeing, because the CFAR is regional in a sense, it's in the state of North Carolina, we have a chance to see what the problems are in the southeastern United States, shed a light on those problems. UNC is very focused on Central America, especially Guatemala, Nicaragua, and Honduras, on Asia, especially China and India, and on Africa, especially Malawi, Cameroon, South Africa, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. We also have activities in Russia that are growing pretty fast. The work we do, we hope it changes the face of HIV, either in terms of treatment or prevention.
So by definition, our goal is not to remain static, that we always look for new projects, new goals. How can we incorporate more people, identify more investigators?
Its function is to identify how our CFAR can be maximal, it can help the investigators in our consortium to be maximally productive, as defined by doing the best research they can do with NIH funding. We better be preventing HIV, and we better be treating HIV, the best possible treatment, the best possible prevention, and we better be thinking about how we cure this infection.